Rotary bearings are reviewed in the axle combined roller bearings, including one axle radial inner ring, one axle radial outer ring. Look at it. 咱有一个 YRT 那个抛分的在哪儿来着？啊，在这儿。Look at it. It including one axle radial inner ring and one axle radial outer ring. Okay. 2-4 installation, 2-4 center rollers at axle direction and 1-4 radial center rollers. Okay, there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So what's about its features? YRT rotatable bearings. YRT rotatable bearings can bear axle load, radial load, and overturning torque. One bearing can replace two more normal bearings. It has high rigidity and heavy load features. The soft system is better and the structure is more simple and they're easy for installation and cost saving for maintenance. Okay, they're widely used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine tools and machine center and machine tools rotary table, medical equipment, grinding machine, milling machine, hobbing head, and lab devices, precision environment. Now, our YRT rotatable bearings can be preloaded at our factory according to their working conditions. Precision grade can be grade P4 and P2, but be noted that P4 and P2 only for axle and radial inner ring, radial and axle run out accuracy of the inner ring and outer ring. All dimensional tolerance accuracy is P5. The raw material of our rotatable bearing is bearing steel with super precision and high rigidity features. For small models, we have for YRT 50, YRT 80, YRT 100, YRT 150, YRT 260, and so on. We have bulk on stock, and the lead time is within 3 days. And about the larger models, we have the such as YRT 1300 and YRT 395, YRT 460, and the lead time is about 15 to 30 days. All YRT rotatable bearings have 1 year warranty, so you can buy it with confidence. Now look at it. This is a YRT. And we have YRT. Yeah, we have YRT 100. If you want to know more information about the YRT 100, you can download our catalog and see the page 20, see the page 32. Now let me introduce our cross roller bearings to you. This is our cross roller bearings, okay? Now you can see it. The cross roller bearings. It is the inner ring and it is the outer ring, and the spacer block are ringed. You can see the center rollers. The center rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways, separated by spacer block. This is the red spacer block. Spacer block 1 by 1. Some series even have mounting holes. Okay, so uh, how to install the castola bearings? First, we need to we need to prepare the inner ring. We need to prepare the inner ring, the outer ring, and the rubber ring. This is the rubber ring, and the screw. Look at the ring. Look at the rings. They are screws. And first, we need to clean all the products with the grease. Then we need to use we need to use wipe them dry, and then we will uh, mm, we will put the second rollers on the V-shaped wristways. Uh, V-shaped wristways. Then after it, we need to put the cover. We need to put the covering. Then we need to put. We need to we need to combine the clearance, and we also need to examine the clearance, and we need to use a stick to examine. We need to use a stick to examine and we use the meter to um, examine the clearance. Then we will put the spacer block between the cylindrical rollers, and after the spacer block, we also have the red spacer block to narrow the to narrow the now the interval, and at last we need to put the grease on the inner ring in the outer ring. Then we cover the outer ring, and the last we do the last correction with the stick. Um, okay, now we finish the products. This is the how to install the cross roller bearings. The incastolar bearings, the sync rollers are arranged in 290 degrees V-shaped wristways one by one, separated by spacer block. Some cells even have mounting holes, and one bearing in the structure can be S load, radial load, and overturning torque. One bearing having high precision and high rigidity features. Some series even have mounting holes that are easy for maintenance and installation. And the value used in machine tools and the accessories, uh, automation, medical equipment, um, and other fields. Now look at the number. This is RB 100 122 1 UUCC0P5. In the 100 means the honoring is 100 millimeters, and the 16 means the height is 60 meters, and the UU means the double sealed in both the inner ring and the outer ring, and the 60 is run out accuracy of the inner ring and the outer ring. It's a larger clearance, and the 60 is a negative clearance, and the C0 means the larger clearance, and the P5 means is run out accuracy of the inner ring and outer ring. Now, this is this is RB. Yeah, a standard model. It's a standard model of our castola bearings. The inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is divided into two parts at SO and the at SO direction, and is suitable for the parts with the accuracy of the inner ring. This is the RB. And look at it. This is the RU series. So what's the feature about RU series? You can see different from RB. The outer ring is integrated and the inner ring is also integrated. And there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So they can directly store and use without shaft or bearing seat. This is the RB. The inner ring and outer ring are integral parts. And this, look at it. This is our CRBH. So, oh, sorry. This is also the RB. Yeah, you can see the inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is divided into two parts at axial direction, and there are connected rings on both on the outer ring. Hello everyone, this is Felicia from YRTS Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company. This is welcome to our live show. It will last about 1 hour, mainly to introduce our Cosula bearings and vacuum table bearings. For any question, you can leave your message. We will answer directly on the show. You can also download and keep our catalog, choosing when needed. First, let me briefly introduce our company. Long Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company specializes in the researching and the producing high precision Castola bearings and vacuum table bearings. Um, benefits is unique bearing industry city Henan province. Our company has established a complete quality management system and has excellent team. So our products, our Castola bearings are including RA, RB, CRBH, RUSX, SXU, Castola bearings. And about our YRT rootable table bearings, we have EFRT and ERTS. So now all our products diameter range from 22 to 30 millimeters, and many products on bulk. So the precision is a precision can be P5, P4, and the P2. The warranty is 12 years. Our products has been exported to many countries, in United Nations, American, African, and enjoyed a good reputation. Our mission is let our customers succeed and create values for our customers. So if you have any need, please do not hesitate to contact with us. Now look at, I will look at it. I will introduce the YRT to you. Okay, this is the YRT. This is a separated one, so I can introduce it with you elaborately. Okay, now look at what is YRT. The YRT vertebral bearings are radio and also combined cylindrical rollers. It including one as radio inner ring. This is the inner ring, one as radio outer ring, and one as radio cover. So two cylindrical rollers at axial direction. This is the cylindrical rollers at axial direction, and one for installation radio cylindrical rollers. And there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So about our vertical table bearings, it can bear S load, radial load, and overturning torque. One bearing can replace to a more normal one bearing can replace to a more normal bearings. Some bearings, the shaft system is better and the structure is more simple. They're easy for maintenance and they're easy for installation and conserving for maintenance. And our vertical table bearings are widely used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine center and machine tools table, milling hub, grading machine, milling machine, hobbing machine, precision measurement and lab devices. The bearing can be preloaded our factory factory to according to the working conditions. The warranty time is 1 year, and the precision grade. Precision grade can be P4 and the P2. Please be note, the precision grade can be P4 and P2. The P4 and P2 are only be noted that the run out accuracy of the inner ring and outer ring 跳动精度 and the dimensional tolerance accuracy is P5. So the raw material, okay, is the cylinder rollers. This is a spacer block. And now about our bearing can the raw material of our rototable bearings is a super steel with a super precision and high rigidity features. For small models such as YRT50, YRT60, and so on, we have bulk on stock. For the larger models such as YRT360 to 460, we have semi-products on bulk. And the smaller parts, our lead time is within 3 days, and the larger parts, our lead time is within 50 to 30 days. All our rototable bearings have 1 year warranty, so you can buy it with confidence. So look at it. This is about rototable bearings. We have two kinds. One is EFRT and the other is YRTS. So compared with YRTS, maybe this is EFRT. This is EFRT. There is no spacer block between the cylinder rollers. So this is a spacer block. You can see it. So there is no spacer block in the EFRT, and it is suitable for the parts with high rigidity features. And about YRTS, and we also have other cancer. This is the YRTS. Compared with the EFRT, there is spacer block between the cylinder rollers, and it is faster in rotating speed than the EFRT. Hello, welcome to our live show. If you have any question, okay, now next is our cross roller bearings. This is our cross roller bearings. This is our cross roller bearings. So look at it. Maybe I can find you the cross roller bearings to you. So what is the cross roller bearings? In cross roller bearings, the cylinder rollers arranged. The cylinder rollers, this is the cylinder rollers, arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways. They are separated by spacer block, one by one in vertical arrangement. Some series even have mounting holes that are easy for installation and maintenance. And the bearing in the structure can bear the S load, radial load, and overturning torque. Having high rigidity and high precision features, some series even have mounting holes that are easy for maintenance and installation. And they are widely used in machine tools and their rotary machine tools and the accessories, medical equipment, automation, robots, and other industry. So we have RA, RB, RU, CRBH, SX, SU, SSU, XU, XSU, and we also have double row RB series. So So how to install the cross roller bearings? Maybe I can introduce you briefly. You can see before we install the cross roller bearings, we need to prepare the inner ring, the rubber ring, the spacer block, and the cylinder rollers. First, we need to clean them with gasoline, and we need to wipe them dry, and then we put the cylinder rollers on the V-shaped raceways, um, on the V-shaped raceways. Then next we need to use the U clamp to combat the clearance. Then we need to rectify the clearance, and we also need the meter to examine the clearance. After it, then we can put the spacer block between the cylinder rollers on the V-shaped raceways, and we also use the rod spacer block to adjust the interval. Then we need the rubber ring to seal it. And the next, we need to inject the grease on the inner ring and outer ring. Then we cover the outer ring, and we use a screw to tighten the inner ring and outer ring. Then we do the last correction with a stick, and at last we finish it. So this is the 4 steps to install the cross roller bearings. Okay, about cross roller bearings, we have many kinds of cross roller bearings. You can see many kinds of, for example, this is the RB. I can give you some examples. This is the RB. So how can we justify the RB, RA, RU, CRBH, and so on? I will give you an example one by one. Okay, now this is the RB. So what's the features of the RB? The inner ring is integrated, and the outer ring is divided into 2 parts at SO direction. And it is suitable for the parts with accuracy of the inner ring. It's a standard model of the cross roller bearings. And compared with RB, look at the RA. Yeah, it looks smaller and lighter than the RB. And the inner ring is integrated. The outer ring is divided into 2 parts at SO direction. It is suitable for the parts with small space requirements and with lighter. This is the RA. And this is CRBH. So how to justify the CRBH compared with RARB? The outer ring and the inner ring are overall structure. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. And it has high rigidity features, so it's suitable for the parts which they are widely used in medical tools, medical equipments, robots, and so on, which require the high rigidity of the feature of the inner ring and outer rings. And look at the RU. This is the RU. So the inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated, and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. They can directly mount it and they can be used and installed without shaft or bearing seat. This is the RU. And now look at it. This is okay. Now look at it. This is also the okay. This is also RB series. Hello, welcome to my live show. If you have any question, you can email us. Okay. Okay. Now look at the costola bearings. This is the RB. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts. So look at it. This is RB 160 UU60P5. So this is the number of our RB. So what's the meaning of the RB? The 100 is means is inner ring is 100 millimeters and the 16 inner ring and the outer ring is. So 100 means its inner ring is 100 millimeters, and the 60 means its height is 60 meters, and the UU means double sealed. You can see the black rubber ring in the both inner ring and outer ring, and the U means the rubber in one side, and the CC0 mean is negative clearance, and the CC0 means negative clearance, and the C0 means positive clearance, and C1 means larger clearance. P5 is the run out accuracy of the inner ring and the outer ring. RB series is a model standard of our controller bearings. So we have both on stock. The linear diameter of our products range from 20 to 30 millimeters. So all our products has been exported to many countries. So and our warranty time is 1 year, so you can buy it with confidence. Okay, now hello, now I will introduce our company, Luan Infant Precision Bearing Manufacturing Company, specialized in the producing and researching the Castola bearings and the variety-rotatable bearings. And I'm Felicia. Today, I will introduce you the Castola bearings and variety-rotatable bearings. For any question, you can leave your message. We will answer you directly on the show. And now, firstly, let me briefly introduce our company to you. Luan Infant Precision Manufacturing Company is located in the Jianxi Industry Park, Luoyang City, Henan Province, China. Benefits its unique foundation. Uh, our company has established a complete management system and has an excellent technical team. So our main products are consumer bearings. We have RA, RB, RU, CRBH, SX, SXU, and we also have YRT table bearings. We have EFRT and ERTS. All our products has been exported to many countries for many years, including North American, Canada, American, French, Japan, South Korea, and so on. And our run-out accuracy of our products is all our the inner diameter range from 22 to 30 millimeters, and all products are produced by advanced CNC machine tools and 100 inspected after each procedure, so the precision can be P4, P5, and P2. Warranty time is 12 years, so you can buy them with confidence. Our mission is that our customers succeed and create values for our customers. So today I will introduce, now let me introduce the YRT table bearings to you. This is our YRT table bearings. YRT table bearings, as in the video, combine cylinder rollers, including one S radio inner ring, one S radio outer ring, and one S radio cover. Two cylinder rollers at SO direction, and two are ringed in nylon and brass kicks. This is the brass, and this is the nylon that you can serve case. And one for installation radio cylinder rollers. Um, there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. So about the features, one bearing can bear S load, radio load, and overturning torque. One bearing can place two or more normal bearings. And having the shaft system is better and structure is more simple. They are easy for maintenance and cost and the cost. They are easy for installation and cost saving for maintenance. Hello, welcome to my live show. Live show. And about its application, they are widely used in 5-axis, 6-axis machine center, lab devices, precision equipment, and uh, and other industries. So our about our the product. So the bearing can be preloaded at our factory according to work condition. The precision grade can be P4 and P2, and P4 and P2 be noted that the run-out accuracy of the inner ring and outer ring, all dimensional tolerance accuracy is P5. So the raw material of our rotatable bearings is a bearing steel with super precision and high rigidity features. For small models, we have bulk on stock, and our lead time is within 3 days. And for the larger models, we have 7 products on stock, and our lead time is from 15 to 30 days. All of our rotatable bearings have 1 year's warranty, so you can buy it with confidence. Okay, now I will introduce the YRT 150 relatable bearing to you. For shaft diameter is 100. About our YRT rotatable bearings, YRT 150, the shaft diameter is 150 millimeters, the outer is 240 millimeters, and the height is 40 millimeters. So And the next is our cross-roller bearings. This is our cross-roller bearings. In cross-roller bearings, the stem rollers are arranged into 90-degree V-shaped raceways in vertical arrangement, separated by spacer block one by one. Some series even have mounting holes. And their valley, one bearing in structure can bear S-load, radial load, and overturning torque. Having high precision and high rigidity features, some series even have mounting holes that are easy for installation and maintenance. Easy in the maintenance. They are widely used in 5-axis 6. They are widely used in machine tools and the accessories, robots, automation, medical equipment, and other industries. We have RA, RB, RU, CRBH, SX, XU, XSU, and WRB series. So, how to install the cross-roller bearings? I want to show you how to install the cross-roller bearings. Okay, now this is first we need to clean them all the objects with the gasoline and wipe them dry. We need to prepare the inner wing, the outer wing, and the screw, and we need to clean them with the gasoline and wipe them dry. And the next, we need to put the cylinder rollers. Next, we need to put the cylinder rollers on the inner rings and on the inner rings, and the next we need to combine the clearance with the U clamp, and then we need to rectify the clearance. We also use the meter to examine the clearance. The next step, we need to install the spacer block between the cylinder rollers. And after it, we need to put the red spacer block between the cylinder to adjust the interval, and we use the rubber ring to seal it. We inject the grease, and the next we need to cover the outer ring, and we use the screw to tighten. We use the screw to tighten the inner ring and outer ring, and the next we need to do the last correction of our products, and then we finish it. This is the 4 steps of the cross-roller bearings. So this is so about our cross-roller bearings.
我们也是，不是刚才听跟我说有的地方有错，还得重新打印，有的打弄，就是有的有错，有的没有。就是有好多张好多份儿，我也是觉得可麻烦呀，咋办？
This is RB. You know, RB is the model standard of our cross-roller bearings. This is RB. RB is the model standard of cross-roller bearings. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is divided into 2 parts at axial direction. It's more suitable for the parts with the accuracy of the inner ring. And this is the CRBH. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated. The inner ring and outer ring are overall structured.
上部分的都是可以的，你先放在那里吧，然后那个我同事给你答复他该干嘛干嘛，我到时候再跟你说吧，好吧？麻烦了啊，好，拜拜啊，好。
And it is suitable for their widely used in the robots, medical equipment, automation, and industries which requires high rigidity features. This is the RU. The inner ring is integrated and the outer ring is also integrated part. The inner ring and outer ring are overall structure and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and outer rings. They can use and installed with a shaft or bearing seat. And this is the RA series. The inner ring is the integrated and the outer ring is divided into two parts with an axial direction. And the curve with RB is lighter and is suitable for the parts with a small space requirements and lightweight parts. And this is YRT. And the YRT, we have two kinds of YRT. One is EFRT and the other is ERTS. Look at the EFRT. So how to justify the EFRT and ERTS? So there is no spacer block. Hello, welcome to my live show. So if you have any question, you can leave your message and you can also leave your email. So look at the EFRT. So there is no spacer block between the cylinder rollers. It's suitable for the parts with the high rigidity features. And this is ERTS. And there is spacer block between the cylinder rollers at axial direction and radio direction. So you can see it is faster in accuracy in speeding is faster in rotating speed. So you can it is most for the parts which requires a high rotating speed of the inner ring and outer rings. So what about our YRT 150? So run out accuracy is the inner ring is 150 millimeters. So and this is RB. Our this product to you, and there are so many numbers on the products. I can explain you one by one. This is RB 10016 UU 60P5, and the RB means is model is serious name. RARB CRBH, and this is RB. The 100 means the inner ring is 100 millimeters, and the 60 means its height is 60 millimeters, and the UU means double sealed. And it is double sealed on both the inner ring and outer ring. You can see the black rubber ring in both the inner ring and the outer ring. And the U means one, and the U if there is only one U, it means rubbering in one side and the open tab is no rubbering. C0 means a negative clearance and the C0 means positive clearance and the C1 means larger clearance. P5 is run out accuracy of the P is run out accuracy of the inner ring and outer ring. RB series is a standard model of the controller bearings. So now we have bulk on stock for inner ring and outer ring from 20 to 500 millimeters. We also have treated material on stock in short fast delivery. Generally speaking, our lead time is about 30 is within 30 days. So I can give you a look at a video. This is how to install the cross roller bearings. This is the step we install the cross roller bearings. First, we will clean them with the gasoline and we wipe them dry. Oh, sorry. I need to show you the whole video.
直到4月10，我跟他弄的这张就是4月10几号。
Okay, I will show you a video how to install the cross roller bearings. Okay. So first we need to clean the inner wing, outer wing, and with the gasoline and wipe them dry. And look at the 90-degree V-shape raceways. We put the circuit rollers on the inner wing. They are arranged in one by one. We cover the outer wing. And we will combine the clearance with a U-clamp. And we also use a stick to rectify the clearance. And we use a meter. This is a meter to examine the clearance. Okay, now we put the spacer block between the circuit rollers, and we use a red spacer block to narrow the interval. And we use a rubber ring to seal it. And we inject the grease on the inner wing and outer wing. Then we will cover the outer wing. Now this is a screw. We need to tighten the inner wing and outer wing with a screw. We use a stick to do the last correction. This is a products correction. And we clean it. Okay, our products are finished. So this is a video how to install the cross roller bearings. So you can buy it with confidence because our products have 1 year warranty. So you can so you can buy it, and we have perfect after service.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome to our live show. Hello, if you have any question, you can leave your message on our live show. This is our YRTS table bearings. At YRTS table bearings are radio and also combines the link roller bearings, including one as radio inner wing, one as radio covering, and one as radio cover, and one for installation. Some rollers at radio direction, and two cylindrical rollers at also direction, and two are arranged in brass or nylon case. This is the nylon, and this is the brass. Maybe brass is a little more expensive than the nylon. We also provide the customized products about our YRTS table bearings. And the next you can see and there are mounting holes on both the inner rings and the outer rings. Okay, this is our capsular bearings. In capsular bearings, the sun rollers are ring into 90-degree V-shape widths. Separated by spacer block one by one in vertical arrangement. They are vertical arrangement. And one bearing structure can bear absolute radial load and overturning torque. Having high precision and heavy load features, some series even have mounting holes. They are easy for installation and maintenance. They are widely used in machine tools and their accessories, medical equipment, automation, robots, and other industries. We have the RE, RB, RU, CRBH, SX, XU, XSU, and other series. We also have the double row series, double row RB series. Okay, now I will finish my live show. So if you have any questions, so if you want to ask any questions, you can leave your message, or you can also directly email us. Okay, bye bye. 好，都关了是吧？对对对。没问题。我是李，王经理。